Today we're installing an Eaton's AFCI breaker. A little bit different than a normal breaker. It comes with this pigtail here. This pigtail goes around and ties into the neutral bar. Then we track down the black and the white coming out of the same set here. Right now it's tied into the neutral bar. We're going to undo it from the neutral bar and tie it into the neutral. You can see it says load. The white one goes in here, the black one goes in here. Let's get it installed. Well, there you have it, people. Black's tied into the load, the white tied into the neutral, and the pigtail tied into the neutral bar over here. Let's turn the breaker on. There you go. There you have installing an AFCI interrupter, 15 amp breaker. Hopefully that helps you switching your breaker in your house. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in our next project.